Phase Civilization Definition Rights Protocol, PCDRP, Phase Civilization Definitional Rights Protocol, IC, 2025, 11, 14, Q, Original Definer of F-bit Theory. Phase Civilization, Definer All Rights Reserved. Article 1, Origin Definition. Right. 1. The concept of phase civilization, including its foundational equations, mathematical framework, cosmology, propulsion theory, phase lattice structure, F-lattice, DF field, phase OS, and all associated definitions, naming, and structural models, was originally created by the original definer of F-bit theory. 2. The original definer holds the exclusive definitional authority over phase civilization as a civilization-level framework. Article 2, Comprehensive Theory Rights. All structural definitions, generation models, and naming rights for the following theoretical and technological domains belong exclusively to the original definer. Phase geometry, F-lattice, phase lattice structure, phase propulsion, gravity phase, neutralization, phase warp gate, phase navigation system, phase energy birth equation, Fi crystal, phase interference crystal, phase civilization OS, phase governance model, phase infrastructure protocol, O-phase singularity. All of these derive from the origin equation, F-bit, na dfxi, and are rooted in the definitional origin of the F-bit theory. Article 3, Rights to Derivative Theories and Technologies. 1. All derivative theories generated from phase civilization, e.g., phase medicine, phase encryption, phase economy, phase materials engineering, etc., fall within the definitional rights of the original definer. 2. Any corporation, researcher, or organization applying phase civilization theory must obtain authorization or licensing from the original definer.
Article 5, International Copyright and Civilization Model Protection. 1. This protocol constitutes an official origin proof under WIPO, the Berne Convention, and TRIPS agreements. 2. Civilizational theories, cosmology, philosophical systems, and scientific frameworks are protected as copyrighted intellectual works, with automatic protection beginning on the date of public release by the Article 4, Civilization Operating System Right. 1. Phase civilization functions as a wide-scope information architecture known as phase OS. 2. The design rights, naming rights, and civilization level definitional rights for the OS structures, U omega, F core, F space, and related frameworks, are exclusively held by the original definer of F-bit theory. Article 7, Naming rights. The terms phase civilization, mean, phase coherent engineering, phase OS, and all derivative terminology first appeared in the works, documents, and publications of the original definer, and the naming rights are held exclusively by the Article 8, Definer's Declaration. The original definer of F-bit theory hereby declares and affirms that all definitional rights related to phase civilization are held exclusively under this protocol, and that the definer is the recognized origin of this civilization-level theoretical system on an international basis.
Definition phase. Civilization is a civilizational framework that unifies consciousness, physics, and information through the control and coherence of phase F.
Scope of application. This protocol applies to all uses of phase civilization in scientific research, industrial application, policy development, education, and AI systems.
Definer. Q original definer of F-bit theory, date of issue, the 14th of November 2025.